Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple languages in Wix. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process if you want to add different types of different varieties of language to your Wix website, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So if you like this video, please to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and let's get started now. So first thing is go to your wix.com. So go to your Wix website and log into your Wix account here. So once you've logged into your Wix account, yes, I've got it here on my Wix account. So what we're going to do now, select the website that you want to add the multi-languages for. So just choose the website, which one. So for example, I'm going to use this one, or if you don't have a website, you can simply create a website using this create new site option here on your top right. Okay, either way, just go to the website. So I'm going to use this website here. I'm just going to use this demo site here. Then I'm going to use it. So click on the website and then load your dashboard. So first open up the website's dashboard. So once you're on the website dashboard here, okay, so that's the so this is the website dashboard. So once you're here, so what we're going to do next is we're going to like firstly go to your site, your editor, your site editor. So what we're going to do that is, okay, so you're going to click on this design site here, which is on your top right here. So we get to it loads the editors. So click on design site. Okay, so you click on that and then that will open up the editor page for you. And then once this loads, so what we're going to do, so while it loads, so what we're going to do now here is we're going to like set up, I mean like select what are the languages that you're going to use on your for your website here. So what multiple languages you're going to do. So for example, you need to set a base language, the main language, and then you can add multiple language to that. So the base one is your main language, and then the multiple language. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So there are a couple of ways how we can do this, but I would say the best option that I would recommend is that by using the pre-made app here. So Wix has a pre-made multilingual app which we can use, and that will like automate most of the process and translations and make our life much easier for us to do the translation. Because so I will show you how to use the app, the built-in app by Wix, in order to achieve this. So once this loads here, so what we're going to do now here, if you click on, so here, once you're on this editor here, so once you're on your dashboard here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these apps here and then click on app market and go to the Wix app market. Okay, so once you're on the Wix app market here, so what we're going to do here is look for multilingual. So type in multilingual. So type in multilingual. Okay, when you type in multilingual, you will get to this this app here, which is Wix multilingual. So there are quite other apps as well here, but after, so since this one I've actually heard about this and I've tried this, so I'm going to use this Wix multilingual. So I'm going to click on that Wix multilingual. And this app, you know, as in most apps, it's also a paid app, but you still be able to use it in the free version for with some restrictions and limitations. You will still able to use this multilingual, so you can try with these, and then if you like it, you can actually purchase if you want to. So this is the one. So open this Wix multilingual app here. Okay, and if you want to see the details of it, you can scroll down and see the details of it. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this add to site to install it. So click on add to site. Okay, click on it and that will install these to your dashboard here, to your site. So just do that and this will start up the process here. So it's now adding the app to your site. So just wait for this to get that thing done, so to add it to your site. And then once it's been added, you'll get to this page here. So I'll get to this page here, so where it loads up the multilingual app to your website here. So it's doing adding it to your website. So this might take just a bit of time, depending on how heavy your website is. So it will, based on that, it will take some time. So you just have to like wait for it to get it done, if especially when your website is pretty heavy and stuff. So this will start up the process here. So what you're going to do now is click on start now. Okay, and then it's going to detect your site's main language. As I mentioned earlier, your site should have a main language, in this case like English. So if English is your main language, you can leave it as it is, or if not, you want to set some other language as your main language, you can click on no, I want to change it, and then select the main language. But in my case, English is my main language, so I want to have English as my main language, so I'm going to click on set main language. Okay, so that's the main language. So to represent this, you need to select the flag to your to represent the English language. So you can just choose like any country like UK or US to represent English here. So probably you can do that. Okay, so once this loads here, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the flag here. So you're gonna like click on it, and then you can select UK or US. Let's just put US or UK, anything that's fine. So I'll just choose that. Okay, so this is the flag that will represent English. Okay, that's fine, and that's done. Then click on select flag. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to confirm your main language. Yes, English, that's the main language, and the flag for it, that's fine, because this one you won't be able to change it later. So make sure you choose the right ones, but your main language. Okay, and then hit on confirm main language. Okay, and then you confirm your main language. So that's almost done. So you have confirmed the main language. Next is you're going to add the other languages options that you want in your site. So to do that, so you can simply come back here, click on add language. Okay, click on add language, and then now select the language that you want to add. So for example, you'll see if you scroll down from the list here, you can choose whatever you want to. So what language you want to add, you can do that. So for example, let's say if I want to, probably French, if I want to add French, so I will select French, and then a flag to represent it. So I will just choose like France to represent it, French. So we'll choose France. Okay, that's done. And then the translating, how do you want to do the translating? Do you want to do manual translating or a machine translation? So I would, if you want to automate it, the best way to do is machine translation, but just keep in mind that there is some limitations for machine, because you got to pay for it, as I mentioned earlier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use machine translation, so it will do the translation by itself automatically. That's easy. So I'm going to select that, and then once that's done, and then do you want to make the site in French visible straight away? If you want, you can say, otherwise you can just leave it. You don't have to select anything. Okay, hit on add language. Okay, so you can select. Okay, what you can say, if you want to make it visible right away, you can say yes. If you want to make it visible, it's up to you. You can choose that, and then click on add language. Okay, and then this will now do the translation. As you can see, it has added French here, so that's fine. And then what happens here, so if you want to like this will auto translate the contents and everything in French. But if you want to add anything, so for example, let us first, okay, this is done. Now we'll close this. Okay, let's go to your website here. So just refresh your page to activate all the settings that you just made. So refresh the page, and that will activate the settings. So once you refresh the page, you're going to check whether the French or French language has been added to your site. So we're going to check that. So once your site loads, click on preview, and then we're going to preview our site. So for example, this is my preview of my site. As you can see, the language option has been added. So if I want to click on the language option and select France, like French, if I click on French, and it should now change or show everything in French for me. So I'm going to do that, and there you go. So if you click on France here, so as you can see, all my menus, everything's like my contents now, everything is all changed to French. So that's how you, and the same way you can, if you want more languages, you can add more languages. Go back to the same process and then add just more languages if you want to. So this is how you add multiple languages to Wix site. And I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you find this video useful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.